Hi there. I'm Theo. Unlike traditional investing, where you have to constantly worry about market fluctuations and portfolio management, MYTHEO brings you a fully automated investment experience. First up, the MYTHEO client onboarding. It's like having a personal financial advisor right at your fingertips. We'll guide you through a simple questionnaire to understand your unique financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment time frame. Once we've understood what your needs are and what stage in life you're in, MYTHEO's algorithm swings into action. It customizes your portfolio allocation to meet your specific needs for growth, income, and inflation hedge. It's personalized investing made effortless. Now, here's where the magic happens. Our algorithm-driven investment selection. Each MYTHEO functional portfolio is expertly crafted, consisting of a diversified range of ETFs. But that's not all. Our proprietary AI Assist algorithm continually monitors each ETF, analyzing data to reduce the risk of sudden market downturns. Let's talk about ongoing maintenance. With MYTHEO, you can set it and forget it. Our algorithm automatically rebalances your portfolio every month, ensuring it stays aligned with your target allocation. And guess what? Our algorithms also update your target allocation annually to adapt to your latest age and market conditions. So, if you're looking for a smarter, fully automated way to invest without all the stress, MYTHEO's got your back.